Let us discuss few of the questions where we have no clue about what is being asked, but through the hints left by UPSC in the question, we can answer the question very easily. Now, if you see this question, it's asked that consider the following statements. Okay. Now, if you minutely see the word some means some of them can do it, not all, means it is not an extreme statement. So here the sum becomes a very general statement, positive statement, so it is not extreme. So by knowing this technique we can easily solve this question, and here all the four options are correct. Now if you see this particular question where it is been asked that with reference to coal-based thermal power plants in India, consider the following statements. Well, first of the statement, none of them use seawater. Second, none of them is set up in water strait district. Third option, none of them is privately owned. Well, the particular word none here is the extreme word. It's saying none. So UPSC always leaving a hint behind, can never give a particular statement very extreme. So here all the three options are wrong. Okay, thank you.